Hello and welcome back. Today we're looking at a monitoring software that actually looks pretty good. You've probably heard of Top and Htop and good programs like that. Well, this one I'm going to install one that's actually called Btop, and it's actually pretty easy to install. Let's take a look here and get this installed here. Pretty easy. And it's very quick to install, and it's installed right now. So let's take a look at it. This one here, I've already got a theme in here already from a previous install. But anyway, you can actually look at the processes, and you can use your mouse wheel to scroll through. Another thing I like, I'm gonna take myself out of the picture here. Tells you all the different shows all the different processors cores, and also tells you what percentage they're working at. And also, one thing some people like is the tree view. So you have that also. And as you can see, you have different presets. Like you have this view, you also have this view. And you can change things in the menu also, like the color scheme if you want to. I'm going to put it back to where it was. And how fast or how slow it updates everything. No, just things like that. Yeah, there's a lot of things you can do in this one, and yeah, it's one of my favorite system monitoring software tools. Well, in this quick video, that's Btop in action. It's basically surprisingly powerful also. That's one of the things I like about it. If you found this video helpful, and you'd like to support the channel, please consider donating on my Patreon. Every little bit helps also to keep this channel going. Anyway, well, I will see you later.